Meaning of educational psychology. Educational psychology is the science of teaching and learning process. It is the science of educational engineering which is mainly concerned with the application of psychological principles to the practical problems in the field of education. Educational psychology is the study of psychological aspects of educational situation. It deals with the behavior of human beings in educational situation. It is an applied psychology. Define educational psychology. Educational psychology is that branch of psychology which deals with teaching and learning. B.F. Skinner. Educational psychology is the science of education. Peel. Educational psychology is the special branch of physiology concerned with the nature, condition, outcome and evolution of school learning and retention. It describes and explains the learning process of an individual from birth through old age. The scope of educational psychology is limited to the teaching training process, that is, studying the behavior of learners in relation to their educational environment, specifically for the achievement of their educational needs and the all-around development of their personality. Scope of educational psychology. The first one, learner. Educational psychology deals with techniques of knowing the learner, the process and pattern of growth and development during different stages of an individual's life, conscious and unconscious behavior of the learner, his instincts and other innate abilities, the learned and acquired abilities, individual differences in terms of abilities and capacities, characteristics of growth and development at each stage beginning from childhood to adulthood are also important. Hence, the knowledge of the learner is quite essential before teaching him. Learning environment. The effectiveness of teaching learning program depends largely on the suitability of the teaching learning situation in terms of time, place and other environmental factors. It also helps them to modify the teaching learning situation to achieve the desired results by studying topics like classroom climate, institutional climate, factors affecting attention. Educational psychology helps us in deciding learning experience according to the growth and development. It also suggests proper and effective communication between the teacher and the student. It deals with appropriate methods and techniques of imparting education. It provides scope for studying the following topics. Learning experience. Through learning experience, varieties of activities are provided through the process of learning. Educational psychology helps us in deciding learning experience desirable according to the growth and development. It also suggests proper and effective communication between the teacher and the student. It deals with appropriate method and technique of imparting education. It provides scope for studying the following topics: remembering and forgetting, concept formation, sensation and perception. Learning process. Learning is a continuous process which depends on various factors. Educational psychology deals with the nature of learning, how it takes place, what are the laws of learning, theories of learning, transfer of learning and training. Teacher. In order to achieve the desired success in any teaching learning process, the role of the teacher can never be minimized. In fact, much depends on the competency and capability of the teacher for carrying out the desired task. One has to make oneself capable of equipping oneself for it. For this purpose, the teacher must be acquainted with his or her own self. The teacher must pay attention to the following aspects: personality trait and characteristic of a good teacher, duties and responsibilities of a teacher, measures of knowing and doing away with his or her own conflicts, anxiety and tension, teacher's motivation, level of aspiration, adjustment and mental health. The knowledge of educational psychology is helpful to a classroom teacher in the following ways. To know the learner. The teacher understands the child in the following different ways: his interest, attitude, aptitude, and other acquired or innate capacities and abilities. The stage of development linked with his social, emotional, intellectual, physical, and aesthetic need. His level of aspiration, his conscious and unconscious behavior, his motivational behavior, the aspect of his group behavior. To select and organize the subject matter of learning experiences, the knowledge of psychology enlightens the teacher about the ways and means in which teaching can take place in the best possible manner. Thus, knowledge of psychology helps the teacher to devise such method and technique of teaching which are according to the law of learning. Educational psychology explains the process of learning and suggests the means for effective learning. It reveals how to maintain interest in the learning process. It also suggests that not a single method or technique is suitable for all kinds of learner in all circumstances. It equips the teacher for taking care of the desirable learning situation or environment where we should have individual learning or self-study, where the group learning or project work is suggested by educational psychology. The knowledge of the role played by heredity and environment in the process of growth development of the child is very essential for the teacher. This knowledge of the need, drive, and fatigue and motivational aspects of the learner, and above all the knowledge of the behavior pattern and personality characteristic of the children, all help him in the process of maintaining proper discipline. The teacher can better diagnose the abilities, interests, and aptitude of his pupil, and consequently having an idea of the direction and speed of their development. Innumerable problems like backwardness, bullying, cheating in the classroom situation which are faced by the teacher is dealt with the study of the dynamics of the group, behavioral characteristic and adjustment. This equips the teacher to solve the actual class problem. His own behavior, pattern, personality, characteristic, likes and dislikes, motivation, anxiety, conflicts, adjustment, etc. are all revealed to him. All the knowledge helps him in growing as a successful teacher.